Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, and good morning. Hey, we are on day 7, the power of leading by example. You know, when I say, hey family, I want you to welcome back to the Family Reset, daily steps to strength and unity. We've been laying the foundation for a stronger family, and today I want to talk about one of the most powerful ways to create change, and it's leading by example. You know, families don't just learn from what we say. In fact, they learn more from what we do. If we want to love and respect and unity in our homes, we have to model it. Jesus didn't just teach his disciples, he lived the example. Our children, our spouses, and even extended family members are watching how we handle stress, how we speak, and how we treat one another. And so today, I challenge you, be intentional about one action that sets the tone for your family. Maybe it's apologizing first, speaking with kindness, or just showing patience. And I know when that's hard to do, it's hard to do. Whatever it is, lead in the way that inspires others to follow. And change the family. If you want to change the family, it starts with you. Let's reset by being an example of love and unity. And I want to see you tomorrow for another step towards strength and unity. You guys have an amazing day.